Hello guys, today we're going to talk about switch and loop. If you still remember last time we talked about if, and I told you the if statement if we need to select among two alternatives, so we use if. Sometimes we need to select among more than two options, so in that case we will use switch. Let's explain here and give example and see how it works. So instead of like reading a number from like the user, let's say we will read a character and let the user enter the grade, either like say A or B or C, and then we will print out if this is pass or not. So let's say um, char, data type char, we call grade, and we read here grade. Well, let's remove those first so we don't need it. Grade, and instead of reading the integer we will read char. So also we'll use the same input as the same object. So input dot, actually when we read the char it will be a little bit different. So we'll read next, okay, and then dot char at 0, because we just need to just read one character. Okay, so char, so he will read whatever, like the whole, let's say the line, but we're gonna tell him from this line or whatever, just read the first character only. Okay, so the char at 0, so this is the first character. So this is the way that it reads a character from the keyboard. And then let's use switch, and we put here expression. So the switch here the expression here will be great, and we open, don't forget the curly braces, we open it and close it, and then here we will put like the cases. So the case, let's say case A, and don't forget to put, if we use string, or we use when we read like a character, so we have to put it like that in a single quote. And then we use a column, and then what we're gonna do, if this case A, if the user enter A, so we'll print out system dot out dot print line, let's see, and we print congratulations, congrats, you pass. Okay, and then break, so we tell if the user enter A, and then that was the case over here. So after he print out this statement, he has to break. So they're gonna stop executing, like continuing the program. And then let's have the second case, let's say case B, then colon, and then also we'll print out same message, but let's put like a different, congrats, you pass was a grade. Here you pass was B grade. And let's say another case C, then we will use the same with C and break. And let's say here the other case F, let's say case F over here, and then we will print out you fail, sorry you fail, I forgot the column over here, and then sorry you fail. And let's say have another case, sorry, let's if the user entered something not, you know, among those grade, so we should have something called default. So if the, you know, there is nothing from this cases, you know, match whatever like the other conditions, so we can print something by default. So the default here, let's print out some what we will print out, let's print out anything, print default. So, sorry, can't determine either you pass or fail. Okay, and then let's run the program and see. Please, instead of like enter number, let's say enter grade, to be like, you know, of course it's not gonna make any difference, but just okay. So let's print it, and then enter grade. Let's say we enter B. You see, congratulations, you pass with the grade, with a B grade. So let's run it again, and we enter, let's say we enter G. You see, sorry, cannot determine either you pass or fail. Let's say we enter F. Sorry, you fail.